Yeah.
It's quite a push on the bars to get her to change direction.
Yeah.
There's a fucking reasonable amount of wind deflection with that screen.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
I'm probably, wind is getting me just at the top edge above my visor.
Yeah.
Below that I'm pretty protected.
Yeah.
I'm getting a bit under my armpits, but there's nothing wrong with getting shit up under your armpits.
Yeah. Fuck, it's raining over there. See the pissing down. Look.
Oh, maybe we head back.
So can you see it?
Yep.
We'll just head away from it.
No, it'll catch us though, because it's coming this way.
Yeah.
That will be in Bendigo. We'll be able to get back to Strath before it hits.
Alright.
So we'll...
You want to go down Long Lee or?
No.
Alright.
I think we'd go there. We'd get there quicker going Strathfieldsaye Road, I think.
Okay.
Because we can go a bit quicker.
Yep.
Because we can't really go much over 100 down here on this road.
Yeah.
I'm getting fairly well pushed around in the wind.
Yeah, same. It's pretty windy, yeah.
Yeah. Or do you want to swap back on?
No, you drive it. Just get home before it rains.
Yep.
How are the brakes?
I'll tell you in a second. Was that it? No, not that one. It's the one at the servo. I think it's one at the cop shop. Yeah, Lake Epilogue, that's it. I don't think we'd be able to run away from it.
You're gonna have to fuck. It looks like she's turning to shit. I haven't been down this road.
No.
This might actually be the road I go home at night now.
It might be.
In the car.
That's right, it might be your new preferred. Oh, look at this. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, I didn't get an oh.
I did.
I only got a ooh.
I've got an ouch.
Can we have an oh? Can we have an ooh?
Another one.
No, this thing's fucking gorgeous over the bumps.
Oh, another one. Oh, I've only got trackies on, so I'm copping it.
Yeah. Hey, can I tell you?
Oh.
I fucking love this bike.
There you go. Fucking hell, I'm trying to keep up with you.
Oh, I'm just cruising.
Oh, fucking hell, I've got to work the fucking gears and shit.
Yeah, I'm just cruising.
Well, now you've slowed down, but before...
Yeah.
It's now I know what they said. It's dangerous because you're speeding all the time on that bike. Remember they said that?
Yeah. So I've never been around that corner in my life.
Yep, neither have I.
And that was just awesome.
How the tyre? You think the tyres a bit underinflated?
Yeah,
How's it feel for grip though?
Oh, grip is unbelievable. It's just the oh well, yeah. But then I've got mine pumped up pretty. I've got mine a lot higher, and I just got off.
Yours are quite high. I can feel it. I've got them at the recommended manufacturer specifications.
Yeah. That crosswind's pretty fucking vicious.
Oh yeah.
That was a nasty set in the centre of that.
Yeah.
Did yours step out?
No.
Okay, this just stepped out on the rear just a little bit.
No, I took a different line to you.
Okay. Okay, so I think we might have this snookered. Because the rain might go to Axdale, and we might just be able to slip up the other side of it.
Yeah.
Oh, going right, back that way, I think it might stay on our right-hand side.
Right. What gear are you in?
6.
Huh. Yeah.
Just doing 110 at...
Yeah.
Oh, okay, the tacho struggles.
Yeah.
Because it was flicking from 4 to 5.
Yeah.
Oh, it only has a large number 3 that lights up.
Yeah, it's not real granular at the low.
No. But, fuck, who's sitting there watching their fucking tacho?
Yeah.
You should be watching the road.
That's it. Oh, fuck.
Did I get ya?
Yeah, that's right in the chest. Right in the fucking, right in the middle.
Yeah.
It's alright. Beauty. How's the brakes?
Yeah, not bad. I'll give it... I just wanted to get onto this road before I played with them.
Yeah.
Engine braking's unbelievable.
Yeah. Yeah, you're all clear, dude.
I'm going to give it a real hard brake now.
Oh yeah, the hazard lights went on.
Yeah. I saw them come on.
Yeah.
So I'll take it up this corner and then I'll
Yeah, I know what.
So I'm doing about 150.
Yeah.
And on the nose, down to 100.
Nice.
Now if that doesn't bed them in, nothing will. So, anyway, I'm going to tip in and roll on this corner. Mid-quarter gear shift up, 2 changes, and exit. Yeah, the brakes are lovely now.
Oh.
I'll give them another whirl.
Yep.
Did you hear that?
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard it. It's starting to rain, dude.
Yeah, we'll just get home. I won't be doing that anymore. I mean, I won't do hard braking.
Fine. Fuck. Fuck.
Yeah. Oh well, chamois time.
Fucking. Fuck.